I'm no stranger to calling out auditors, not because of what they do, but because of how they do it. I believe in transparency and I believe in accountability. But what happens when those words, transparency and accountability, become nothing more than props for confrontation, views and clicks?
Don't put your hands on me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Wow. Right, listen, I'm not resisting.
He assaulted me and he assaulted him 2 times.
Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? You can't write our registration like that. Not allowed.
Let's talk about how auditing has lost its way and how it occasionally gets it right.
Okay, so you want an explanation, right? Yeah. So I'm filming for the matters of public interest. The public interest is the comings and goings of the police station, the upkeep of the building, interactions between the public and police, and how people's tax money is being spent. People are interested all over the country in how police in other areas of the country that they may not be able to tangibly see in front of them are behaving and acting. So that's the honest explanation. You know I don't have to talk, but I've given you the courtesy of explaining everything, right?
The original purpose of auditing was sound. It was to ensure that public servants funded by taxpayers were accountable and transparent in how they behaved towards the public. Filming government buildings, police stations and public offices isn't inherently wrong. In fact, it's one of the oldest principles of a free society, that those in power can be observed. But what began as a legitimate exercise in civic oversight quickly turned into performance art.
You haven't?
Is there anything we can help?
You'd be better off coming back to work.
You
would be.
3 times if there's
And I've said
anything we can
nothing.
help.
No, 'cause you're just going to fob me off with the same stuff that the 2 PCs have.
Miss, I'm not going to talk to you unless you identify yourself.
You can see.
All right, well,
You can actually
so
see
name, station, rank, none of that, no?
Somewhere along the line the mission changed. The goal wasn't accountability, it was reaction. It was no longer about transparency, it was about traction. Conflict drives clicks, outrage drives engagement. So the camera wasn't just a tool for transparency anymore, it became bait.
Standing on this pathway filming you? Yeah. Well then, so basically that's what it is. It's to see what sort of interaction I'm going to get by doing a legal activity.
When the confrontation stopped working, when security guards and police officers started staying calm, many of these so-called auditors, or as some of us say, frauditors, had to find new hunting ground. So they moved to protests, hotels housing migrants, and busy city centres.
They call themselves migrant hotel auditors, entering hotels providing accommodation to asylum seekers, harassing residents, employees and council staff.
How long have you been in the UK?
For some, this isn't just a protest, it's also become a business opportunity.
I'm a citizen journalist. I've been standing over there, over here and over there.
Places where emotions run high and privacy runs low. Here's the irony. The very thing the auditors claimed to want, a calm, informed public that understands the right to film, has now robbed them of their very own content.
Just go and get some deodorant and then I'll talk to you.
Yo, are you serious?
Yeah.
And rather than evolving, many have simply moved on to new targets.
Yeah.
Joking, mate.
Some fans of auditors now claim that this proves the auditors were right all along, that they educated the public. But I think it's something else. The public has just grown wise to the performance. They've stopped playing the role that the auditor needs for his video of the angry, uninformed antagonist.
Alright then, make it my problem then.
You've got hostile reconnaissance.
Okay, hostile reconnaissance, that old chestnut, yeah? Alright then.
Now, to be fair, some auditors do get it right. There are creators who genuinely believe in accountability, who stay calm, respectful and objective.
What are you up to, mate? I'm just filming. Okay. Anything I can see from public?
Anything you see from public?
Yeah,
Can I ask why?
Just matters of public interest.
When handled that way, these videos can highlight real problems: excessive force, unlawful orders and a misuse of authority. But those examples are rare. because calm accountability doesn't go viral. Drama does.
Of course, our staff, harassment, alarm distress.
And I'm going to tell you no.
There is concern around your behaviour and how it's making our staff feel.
And I'm going to tell you no.
A request from you to provide me with your name
And
and
I'm going to
address.
tell you no, because I've done nothing wrong.
You're under arrest.
This whole saga tells us something bigger about online culture itself. Social media rewards outrage. And too many people on both sides of the camera have learned to perform for that. Auditors film for conflict. Public servants, aware they're being filmed, perform calmness for PR. It's theatre now, and truth is the first casualty. So, can auditing ever return to its roots? Can it be about accountability rather than attention? Maybe if those who picked up a camera remember this. The goal isn't to provoke a reaction. It's to show the truth, even when the truth is calm, boring, or uncomfortable. Accountability should inform, not inflame. Next time, we'll look at how you can protect yourself if you're ever confronted when filming, and how to de-escalate when someone turns their camera on you. Until then, cheerio the now.